it's thin. So, of course, you would have to scream.
It looks like my lipstick's on.
No, it's not on. Okay, just smile. No, don't touch it. Okay. I messed that up. Our kitchen. Be making a family fit. My bra is showing. Look at this. Okay, ready? Smile. Don't pick your nose. Smile.
Okay.
Cook because I'm scratching my face in the middle of it. Okay. Okay, ready? You ready? Are you ready? You're ready. Just smile. Okay, so the spaghetti sauce that we're making today is actually my mother-in-law's recipe. You cannot laugh. You can't laugh while I'm talking. Okay, just smile. Ready? Ready? Lovin'. Can you be quiet? Can you do that? Can you do what? He's being good. We don't have very long. Can you just be good for just a minute? You have to stop laughing. Look at him. Okay, so the spaghetti sauce that we're making today is... I'm not gonna do this. Okay, ready? Okay, do you want to do this or not?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Now he's crying. Super easy to make. Look at your face. Look at your face. You look like you're hurting. Just look normal. Can you just look normal? Normal. That doesn't look normal. You can see yourself. Does that look normal? Stop. Stop it. Okay. Spaghetti sauce that we're making today. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
This time stop laughing and look at the camera.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm trying my mouth where I can stop laughing.
What? No, don't cover your mouth. Hands down. Ready? So the spaghetti sauce that we're making today is Stop it. Hands down. Look. Is he eating butt paste? God. Let go. Are you eating that? Oh!
Why are you laughing?
Because you're laughing. So you need to stop, so I'll stop. Okay, ready? Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good job. We got that one.
That's so funny.
It is.